Maintenance processes. If an asset isn't down as often, but takes a long time to fix or inspect, it's time to take a closer look at your maintenance processes. There are dozens of different ways preventive and reactive maintenance can get more efficient. For example, if technicians have to keep walking back and forth from an office to an asset to retrieve paper files, it can cost precious minutes or even hours. If there's a lack of failure codes, or if they aren't clear, this can prolong downtime and shrink availability.